This Watershed Project volunteering opportunity is brought to you by the Woodlands Township Environmental Services in collaboration with Woodlands Water and your local mud. Thank you for volunteering to help with storm drain marker installations. You'll be provided with all of the materials that you need. First, determine the best location for the marker. On the street side, centered on the opening is preferred. Now use some elbow grease. Prepare the area with the wire brush, getting all the dirt and grime off that you can. Next, take the whisk broom to sweep away all that loose material. Be sure to not sweep it into the storm drain. Now turn the marker over and look at the instructions for applying the adhesive. Go slow and put down a good fat bead of adhesive. Go counterclockwise following the little black triangles that are numbered to help you put down an even spiral. Make sure the marker is right side up towards the street so that it can be seen and read. Then place down. Press down firmly, ensuring the adhesive spreads underneath. You might have to twist to straighten it. A little bit of adhesive should be visible on the outside of the marker. You did it, but don't forget the final step. Take a picture of the storm drain with its new marker and note which drain it is from your assignment sheet. Check off that it is complete and move on to the next drain until you have done all the ones you were assigned. Thank you again so much for volunteering. Your effort is important to reduce the amount of pollution that flows into our waterways and ensure that only rain goes down the drain.